Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You want to start with power and pairing readiness. Put the case on charge and plug it in until the case LED stabilizes. This prevents interruptions. Once charged, turn on your phone's Bluetooth and leave the Bluetooth settings screen open so you can confirm pairing. Take both earbuds out together. The T10s use automatic pairing when removed, and this synchronizes left and right channels. If one earbud stays in the case, pairing won't complete, so remove both to start the process now. Once the earbuds appear as Tozo T10 on your device, tap to connect and wait for the confirmation tone. This links both earbuds to your phone. After pairing, test touch commands on each bud. Single tap for play/pause, double for next, press and hold for voice assistant, so you understand control locations. Make sure to open your phone's Bluetooth device settings to rename, enable high-quality audio codec if offered, and tweak microphone or media priority for better calls and balanced sound. To finish, fit the earbuds into the case to store and recharge. When you close the lid, they power off and stay paired. If you encounter dropouts or one earbud silent, perform a hard reset. With both earbuds out, press and hold each touch sensor for roughly 10 seconds until LEDs flash, then repair. Also check for firmware updates. Updates fix stability and audio issues. If problems persist, clean the charging pins and contact support, because dirty contacts often block charging and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.